Welcome to our 7-minute health talk. And in this brief video, you will learn the 3 things that cause most diseases, why everyone you know can benefit from chiropractic, and the 5 things you can do to stay and be healthy. I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart, a chiropractic physician practicing for well over 20 years, helping thousands of people in the local areas of Parkland, Coral Springs, and beyond. In this video, you're going to learn the 3 causes of dis-ease and symptoms, and the 5 things you can do to reverse them. Stress is the #1 cause of most health problems. There's 3 types of stress. There's emotional stress, physical stress, and chemical stress. Let's talk about emotional stress. This is the one most people think about. They're overwhelmed, anxious, tired, upset, angry. It can lead to muscle spasms, tightness, subluxations, which pinch nerves, stress hormone issues, poor sleep, and physical symptoms. Then there's physical stress, which is really pretty obvious, like a car accident, which can misalign your body, slipping and falling, playing sports, whether they're recreational, amateur, or professional, children who are learning how to walk, standing up, kids who carry heavy backpacks to school and sit in weird desks while they're studying, how people sleep. And then, of course, there's the weekend warriors who do things like garden or work around the house. All those are physical stresses. Then there's chemical stress. Chemical stress could be eating processed food, too much caffeine, being dehydrated, chemicals or drugs like over-the-counter drugs or pharmaceutical drugs. Then there's processed foods like cakes, candies, and cookies, soda, pizza, even the chemicals we come in contact with, like laundry detergent or shampoos. So there's 3 types of stress that can cause subluxations, which are when bones move out of place due to stresses, pinching nerves, and lead to symptoms. Those symptoms can be headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back pain, hip, knee pain, foot, ankle pain, and the list goes on and on. Here's what a normal spine versus a subluxated spine can look like. A normal spine has 26 movable bones in perfect alignment with great motion. A subluxated spine has 1 or more segments that are not aligned right, that are pinching a nerve, causing a various number of symptoms. When that happens, you need to go to a chiropractor. So what can subluxations cause? Well, sometimes you don't feel them, but when you do, they can cause symptoms such as neck pain, back pain, shoulder, arm, wrist, and hand pain, hip, knee, ankle, and foot pain, headaches, tightness and soreness, numbness and tingling, muscle spasms, spinal degeneration, arthritis, plantar fasciitis, carpal tunnel syndrome. It can even lead to herniated discs. But what do you do? Well, don't despair. Here's some good news for you. I'm going to show you the 5 things you can do to reduce these 3 forms of stress and live a healthy lifestyle. Here are the 5 things you can do to reduce your stress, reduce subluxations, improve your health, and prevent symptoms and issues. Number 1, exercise regularly. Everyone should do some form of resistance or cardiovascular training. Some people don't like to do that, so I recommend yoga or Tai Chi. And if anybody said to me, well, what's the best activity I can do? It's a sport or activity that you enjoy. The second thing you can do is have proper nutrition. You want to reduce processed foods, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, drink plenty of clean water, breathe clean air, try to cut out soda and energy drinks, reduce your caffeine intake, and then reduce things like alcohol, drugs, processed food, and chemicals that you really don't need to be exposed to. All those things are forms of proper nutrition. And then there's something called sleep, and most people don't get enough of it. You want to try to get at least 8 hours per night. Make sure you have a comfortable bed, a supportive mattress, and sleep in a neutral side-lying position or on your back. Make sure the room is dark. Try to reduce your cell phone, TV, or tablet use before bed. And 4th thing you can do is keep a positive attitude. You want to focus on the good things, especially in a time when there's a lot of negativity. Stop watching the news. Meditate, pray, ask good questions, forgive yourself and others, and practice gratitude. It's one of the best ways to make your mind work really well. Now, let's talk about taking care of your body. This is the only body you're going to have for the duration of your entire life. And if you fail to maintain it, it will eventually fail you. So how do you take care of your body? I'm going to show you. So let's talk about the 3 things you could do. There's chiropractic, which helps make sure the alignment and the nerve flow of your body is working well. Massage therapy, which helps relax tight, tense muscles to stabilize the spine and make you feel relaxed. And then there's acupuncture, which makes sure the energy pathways of your body are flowing and moving properly. So how does chiropractic work? Well, Chiropractic adjustments make sure that the spinal and extremity joints are aligned properly so that your brain and body can send messages back and forth through the nerves and the spinal cord and make your body work well. So, a subluxation is a misalignment and it can impair things. It impairs the nerve's ability to send messages to and from the brain. It can cause a pinching of those nerves and thereby diminishing the impulses. This can lead to symptoms, pain, numbness, decreased function, and dis-ease in the body. So what is an adjustment? Well, it's the gentle procedure of putting misaligned bones and joints back into place. We use several techniques to do this. One of them that you may have seen is a tapping device known as an arthrospin, and we use a technique called KST, core and specific technique, to find out exactly where the body needs to be adjusted and how and where. We do things with our hands. We adjust with SOT blocks as well as the drop table technique to help stimulate the body in a very gentle fashion. I'd like to take a moment and tell you about the KST and arthro-stim technique that we use. It's very safe, especially for people of all ages, from babies to senior citizens. It allows us to adjust people in various positions and postures while moving, such as swinging a golf club, playing a guitar, walking, getting in and out of a car, standing up. It's very powerful. So let's talk about caring and maintaining your body. If you do so and you take care of it right, it'll help reduce degenerative processes, arthritic issues, it'll enhance your body's ability to heal, and it will ensure that your body works well for years and years to come, especially through the duration of your life. So now you can see why people of all ages should see a chiropractor, whether they're a child, a senior citizen, or an active adult. We love helping people of all ages in our practice. Our oldest patient was 106, and our youngest was 2 days old. Basically, we can see everyone, from womb to tomb. Well, maybe not Fido, but everybody else with 2 legs. We're glad you're able to watch this video. Please make sure you have your appointments booked so that we can get you the times you want. We also look forward to helping you, your family, your friends, coworkers, and anyone you care about. And feel free to share this video with those you know. Thanks!